Yesterday I have discussed about the allied angles, sign of the trigonometric ratios, how to the trigonometric ratios into the coordinate axis. Now today I have discussed about the how to find the trigonometric values. How to find the trigonometric values. Okay, per suppose, listen carefully. Per suppose in the examination point of view, sine of minus 315 degrees, so whatever may be, minus 315 plus tan, cot, secant, whatever may be. First you remember the working rule. Okay, today I am discussing two methods. Okay, one method is this way, other method after that this one I will discuss. Working rule. What is the working rule now? How to do the problems, how to find the values. First remove the any negative sign. First step is remove the negative sign. Any negative. Remove any negative sign of the trigonometric function. Here negative is there. Remove means not this way. Now by using the proper formula. By using proper formula. Next, number 2, the given degree value. This is the degree value. The given value, the given degrees can be written in the form of 90 plus n into 90 plus or minus theta. Remember this one, n into 90 plus or minus theta, where n is positive integer, 100% theta is acute angle. What is the meaning of acute angle? You know very well. Theta 100% acute angle. Okay. N is positive integer, theta acute angle means lies between 0 and 90. Next up, after that you can find the theta lies in, means the degree value lies in which coordinate and sine. After that we will find quadrant and sine of the trigonometric function, TF, sine of trigonometric function. Okay. Sine of trigonometric function. Next, fourth one, if after finding the trigonometric function, sine of the trigonometric function, we find the quadrant. After find the trigonometric, if n is odd, per suppose here n into 90 is there, n is odd. Now if n is odd, sine will be changed into the cos will be changed into the sine, tan will be changed into the cot will be changed into the tan, secant will be changed into the cosecant will be changed into the secant. If n is even, no change in the trigonometric ratio. Sine means sine, cos means cos, no change in the trigonometric ratio. Now you follow these steps. These steps we will do. Sine of minus 315 degrees. First remove the negative. Not in this way negative. Remove means not in this way. Okay. By using the far form. We know that yesterday we discussed about the sine of the trigonometric function. Sine 765. Sine of 765 degrees. In the same way. Now first close the ones place, 76. You read the ninth table. 9 8s are 72. 9 8s are 72. Say yes or no? 9 8s are 72. 9 8s are 72 means 8 into 90, that equals 720. Say yes or no? Close the ones value, ones place, remaining 76. You read the ninth table. Nearby that one. 9 8s are 72. 8 9s are 8 into 90, that equals 720. Understood? Simple, very simple. Okay. You know the ninth table or not? Yes. Now 8 into 90 equals 720. Now 765 minus 720 means 45 degrees. Extra is on how much is 45 degrees. Now sine 765 degrees is equal to sine of 8 into 90 plus how much? 45 degrees. Now observe that 8 into 90, here 8 is there, here 8 is there, 8 means 8 90s. Now we will take here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 means here plus means 100% first coordinate. 8 90s means 1 2 3 4 90, each quadrant, this is angle is 90, angle is 90, in between this one angle is 90, angle is 90, angle is 90, 1 2 3 4. Whenever the 490s means one circular rotation completed, here 890s are there means two circular rotations completed, 360 plus 360 means 720 completed, again plus 45 means 100% in the first coordinate. Yes or no? Now for suppose what happened, here n value is 8 is there, you can take 8 divided by 4, 4 2s are 8, what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. Here remainder, how to take the remainder? Remainder is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. This is the remainders. When the n value is divided by 8, sorry, n value is divided by 4, 4 2s are 8, what is the remainder is 0. Remainder is 0 here. In this problem remainder is 0. 0 plus 45 means 100% in the first coordinate. For suppose here minus is there means 100% in the fourth coordinate. N value must be divided with 4. You find the remainder 0, 1, 2, 3. Now 0 has remainder is 0, 0 plus. Whenever the remainder is 0, must and should that value lies in the first coordinate. Now for suppose remainder is 1. Remainder 1 means that value lies in either first or second. For suppose remainder here in the symbol is negative in the first coordinate, symbol is plus second coordinate. Okay. After that what is the step? Which coordinate? In the first coordinate. First coordinate all are 100%, all trigonometry ratio. Next immediately what is the step means? Each coordinate it is lies. Which coordinate? This is lies. This is in the first coordinate. First coordinate what about? After the sign. In the first coordinate all are positive means plus. Here 8. N value 8 positive, n is even means no change in the trigonometric ratio means sine, that equals sine 45 degrees, that equal how much? 1 by root 2. Understood or not? Say yes or no? Yes. Very easy problems. Now we will go to another problem. Big values, no problem. Any value we will find in this way. Any value. For suppose we will go to the cosecant minus 1410 degrees, 1410, 100, 1410, okay, 1410. Now what is the first step? One by one we will go. One by one we will go. Okay. Now removing any negative. Not removing in this way. You know the formula cosecant of minus theta. Cosecant of minus theta equal minus cosecant theta. You know formula? Cosecant of minus theta is equal minus cosecant theta. Very simple. Cosecant of minus theta equal minus cosecant theta. I have okay idea about that one or not? Yes, you have idea. Now okay. This is minus cosecant of 1410, 1410 degrees. After that, we will try the multiples of 90 and extra plus or minus. Now 0 close, 1's place will close, 141. We read the ninth table. Okay. 14 9s are. 14 9s are how much? 126. 14 10s are. 15 9s are. 15 9s are how much? 135. 15 9s are 135 means 15 into 90. 1350. You remember this one? Very easy way. Understood or not? Whenever more values you get, 15 9s are, 14 9s are, 12 nines are, 11 nines are. You remember that one. Okay, 15 nines are 135, 0 is there, 1350. This is 1410, 1350. Means how much extra is there? 60. 1410 minus 1350 means how much? 60. Now how to write this one? 1410 is equal to 1350 means 15 into 90 plus 60. 1350 plus 60 that equal 1410. That is equal to minus cosecant 15 into 90 plus 60 in the form of n into 90 plus theta or minus theta, whatever maybe. Here n value is how much? 15. Already I told that one. 15 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. What the remainder means? 3. Remainder 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Remainder 3. Remainder 3 means that value is lies in either third coordinate or fourth coordinate. First of all. Okay, remainder is 3. But here plus 60. Remainder 3 means this one. Plus 60. Plus 60 means automatically fourth coordinate. Okay, this is minus cosecant in the fourth coordinate. You know very well, cosecant in the fourth coordinate. In this one all, in this one all silver, tea, cups. What about this? Cosecant is fourth coordinate. Fourth coordinate, what are the positive? Cos and secant are the positive. But here cosecant is there. Cosecant 100% negative. Cosecant 100% negative. Now n value is 15, even or odd? Odd. N value is odd means compulsory sign will be changed into the, here sir, cosecant will be changed into the secant. That equals secant 60. Cosecant is there, cosecant will be changed to secant. Why? Cosecant will be changed to secant means 15. 15 means odd value. Odd. Whenever odd is sign is changed into cos, cos is changed into sign. So yes or no? Minus into minus plus, secant 60. What is the cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2, secant 60 is 2. Very simple process. Understood? Understood or not? Yes. In this way, we will do the problems. First, we read the trigonometric values from 0 to 90 degrees perfectly. Next, other problem we will do tan of 19 pi by 3. Tan of 19 pi by 3. Now, first we will change the, we will change the degrees. That value, radians is given, degrees. First suppose 19 pi by 3. That equal to 19 into pi by 3. Pi by 3 in the radians, that is the in the degrees, that equals 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Yes or no? Yes. 19 into 60. How much? 114. Yes or no? 114. Means 1140 degrees. Now this is tan of 1140. Now same process again. First any negative? Yeah, no negative of the angle. Okay, first step is our n plus n into 90 plus or minus. Now close this one. Yes or no? 12 into 90, 12 nines are. Now we read one by one. 114, 9 nines are 81, 10 nines are 90, 11 nines are 99, 12 nines are 108, 12 nines are 13 nines are 117. We will take the less value. Okay, 12 nines are 108. 12 into 90. 12 into 90 is equal to 108. Is 90 means 1080. 12 nines are 108, 90 degrees is there means 1080. Here 1140 is there. 1140 minus 1080 means plus 60. 1140 is equal to 1290 plus 60. Now we will take tan. Tan into 1140 degrees, nothing but the 12 into 90 plus 60. Understood or not? This is third problem I explained. Please listen carefully. 12 into 90 plus 60. Now quadrant. Here 12 is there. 12. N value is 12. 4 3s are 12. means remainder is 0. Remainder is 0 means this one. Plus 60 is there. Plus 60 means this one or this side. This is in first coordinate. First coordinate tan 100% positive. Okay, 12 even number. 12 even number means tan not change. Any change in the tan means tan 60. Tan 60 equal how much? Root 3. Understand? Yes. Okay, we will go to the next another problem, whatever may be. The process, how to find the trigonometric values. Next we will do another problem, sine of 31 pi by 3. Big values, 31 pi by 3. Don't confuse, 31 pi by 3, very big value. First we will change the radians into degrees. 31 pi by 3. 31 into pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degrees. 31 6 are. 31 6 are. 6 1 are 6. 6 3 are 18. How much? How much? 1860. 1860. That equal to sine of 1860. Now remove this one. 186. Ninth table. 29s are 180. Yes. 20 into 90. How much? 1800. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes. 1860, 800 means extra is 60 plus 60. Sine of, how to write as 20 into 90 plus 60. 20. N value is 20. First we can find the quadrant. 20 divided by 4. 4 5s are 20. Remainder how much? 0. Remainder is 0 here. Remainder 0, 1, 2, 3. Remainder is 0. Plus 60 means first coordinate. In the first coordinate all positive. 20 is positive, 20 is even number means no change. That equals sine 60 degrees. Sine 60 means how much? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Understood? Now, this is the, okay, you remember this process. Okay, you cannot do another process. Don't means, for suppose you confuse. Don't confuse, okay? All values you can find in this way. Please remember this one. Okay? First read the formula, sin of minus theta, sin minus sin theta, cos of minus theta, minus cos theta, tan of minus cos of minus theta, cos theta, tan of minus theta, minus tan theta. You remember those formulas. Now, what type of questions asking again? Yesterday already I explained. In the coordinate system, every trigonometric ratio is positive in the two coordinates, positive in the two coordinates and negative in the two coordinates. Now, for suppose, find the values of the other 5 trigonometric functions, okay, in which cos x is equal to how much is given? Cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Listen carefully. Cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2. X belongs to in third coordinate. X is in third, clearly is given. X lies in third quadrant. Find the other trigonometric ratios. Find the other trigonometric ratios means we can find the other 5 trigonometric ratios. Okay. Now x belongs to Q3 is given clearly. Q3 third coordinate. First, second, third. You know that first of all we write the all. Oh, you discuss only in third coordinate. Third coordinate means all silver T cups. T. Only tan cot positive. You remember that one? That is very, very important one. Tan cot positive remaining 100% negative. That's why cos is negative. Now what is the definition of cos? In third coordinate, minus indicates the value of the trigonometric function, indicates that trigonometric function lies in which coordinate only. Minus is there, means this is in third coordinate or in second coordinate. Clearly is given in third coordinate. For suppose not in the third coordinate means must and should will take in second coordinate. Clearly is given it is in third coordinate means 100% will take the third coordinate. Third coordinate will take the right angle triangle. What the angle means? X is the angle here. Cos x. What is the definition? Cos x is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is how much? 1. Hypotenuse is how much? 2. We cannot take the minus. Minus indicates the trigonometric ratio lies in which coordinate? That's 1 by 2. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Now we can find this one. How to find this one? by using Pythagoras theorem. For suppose this is equal t. How to find side square plus side square equal hypotenuse square? Say yes or no? Side square plus side square equal hypotenuse square. 1 square plus t square is equal to 2 square. 2 square by using Pythagoras theorem. 1 square means 1 plus t square. 2 square means 4. Now t square is equal to 4 minus 1. T is equal to how much? Root 3. Directly we will find, no problem at all. T is equal to root 3. Whenever you want the side, square of this one minus this one, root 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 means 3. Root 3. Enough? Yes. Now we can find the first sine. What is the angle means? Sin x. What is the definition of the sine? In third coordinate, 100% sine is negative. Only tan, whenever you write the tan card, positive. Remaining values must and should negative. Sine definition is, what is the sine definition? Opposite side by hypotenuse. 100% write the negative. Root 3 by 2. Already cos is given. Leave that one. Next tan. Tan x. What is the angle means? Tan x. What is the definition of the tan? What is the definition of the tan? Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side root 3 by 1. Positive. Why? Because third coordinate. Cot. Cot is the reciprocal of the tan, means 1 by root 3. Next, cosecant x. Cosecant x is reciprocal of the sine, minus 2 by root 3. Secant x is the reciprocal of the cos, minus 1 by 2 reciprocal, minus 2. Okay, students, understood? In this way, we will find the trigonometric values. Okay, I hope that all are understood these trigonometric values and the problems. Okay, thank you everyone.